Rap rivalries are nothing new. From Biggie versus Tupac to 50 Cent versus Ja Rule, hip-hop has always served up the beef. This latest dish comes from Drake and Pusha T, who have totally broken the internet with their new diss tracks. It started all the way back in 2006 when Pusha T and his brother No Malice started a beef with Lil Wayne over jacking their style. They traded shots back and forth for years and eventually dragged Drake into the ring. The beef was reignited when Pusha dropped Infrared as the last track on his new album, Daytona. Drake responded immediately with the Duppy freestyle, throwing shade at both Kanye and Pusha T. Pusha took it to a whole nother level though when he put out the story of Adidon, revealing that Drake has a son that he hasn't revealed to the media, and he claims that the child's mother is an adult film star, Sophie Brousseau. He also found an old photo of Drake in blackface to use as the cover. Drake came out and said that the photo was from 2007 and that he was trying to highlight issues with being a black actor in America. Pusha may have gone too far with this last one. I mean, he really dug deep. But in all seriousness, is it all worth it? Are Pusha and Drake both happy to be throwing shots at each other? I mean, it's certainly driving record sales, but at what cost? Is pitting members of the black community against each other for the world's entertainment really a good idea? If anything, this seems like a minstrel show where all the white suburban kids get to watch two rap giants duke it out. In this day and age where black people are still being lynched and shot down by police, we need to work together, not against each other. I think if Drake and Pusha squashed the beef, they could put together their resources and power for good. But what do you think? Did Pusha T step over the line for the story of Adidon, or did Drake have it coming? Let me know what you think down in the comments below.